In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Teachable course URL with students. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the link that takes people straight to your course sales page so they can read the details and enroll without any confusion. First, a quick bit of context. Every course in Teachable has a sales page. Think of it as your course's front door. It's the public page that explains what the course is about, shows pricing or enrollment options, and gives visitors a clear way to sign up. Sharing this exact page is the simplest and most reliable way to guide students into your course. To grab that link, head into your Teachable admin. In the main navigation, go to Site, then choose Pages. Once you're there, open the Product Pages tab. This tab groups pages by product, so you can quickly see the pages tied to each course you've created. Find your course in the list and look for the sales page you want to share. If you've built multiple sales pages or offers for the same course, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one for the audience you have in mind. Next, move your cursor to the sales page entry and click the More Options icon, which looks like 3 dots. From that small menu, choose Copy URL. Teachable will copy the public link for that sales page to your clipboard instantly. That URL is the one you'll send to students or prospective students so they can enroll. You can paste it into an email, link it in a social post, add it to a button on your website, or drop it into a direct message. If you want to double-check it before sharing, paste it into a new browser tab to make sure it opens the correct page and displays exactly what students should see. A few tips as you share. If you maintain multiple versions of a sales page, for example, one for a general audience and another for a promotion, consider labeling them clearly inside Teachable so you always copy the right link. If you update the page URL or slug later, remember that the link will change, so refresh any places where you've posted it. For organization, you might keep a simple document that lists your course names alongside their current sales page links, which makes it easy to grab the correct URL whenever you need it. And that's it. By using the sales page URL from your Teachable admin, you give students a clean, direct path to learn about your course and enroll with confidence.